Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by narrowing scope. Choose 1 to 3 product categories and open Google Trends. Enter clear product keywords and then set region plus time frame, for example, past 12 months or past 90 days. Once done, toggle categories to retail or shopping to filter noise. This helps focus on consumer intent. Make sure to add comparisons of 2-3 similar keywords so you can spot diverging momentum. Pay attention to seasonality spikes versus steady climbs as you proceed to the next step. Now you dig into signals. Compare those keywords side by side and read both related topics and related queries to discover emerging variants. Once you see a rising query, click it to add as a comparison. That reveals whether growth is broad or niche. Make sure to enable subregion maps to locate hotspots and apply longer time windows or smoothing when data is noisy. As you do this, note sustained upward trends rather than a single spike. That distinction guides product selection and stocking decisions. Finish by validating winners. Export the CSV, then cross-check volume and competitiveness on marketplaces and social listening. You should confirm supplier options and lead times and estimate margins versus MSRP before committing. Once validated, prioritize products with sustained growth and regional demand. If trends return sparse data, broaden keyword phrasing, extend the time frame, or add related topic anchors to capture lower volume signals. One troubleshooting tip: if results look flat, change category filters or increase region granularity to reveal hidden microtrends.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.